Hi, Joseph Albert Altamirano. Si Coach Bong Ramos to. Binabati kita ng happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Joseph Albert Altamirano. Bro, enjoy your day lang and God bless you more. More blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Joseph. Malungkot sa panahon ngayon. Wala akong ibang miniwish sa'yo kundi ang iyong kalusugan. At matalam ko naman na hindi ka makapag-celebrate sa panahon ngayon dahil alam natin na bawal pa ang mga mass gathering. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw na iyong karawan. At miniwish ko na kung ano man yung mga minimithi mo sa buhay ay yung makamit. Muli, binabati kita ng happy birthday, Joseph. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Joseph Albert Altamirano. Idol, binabati kita sa iyong karawan. May our God Almighty bless you always and God bless you more. Stay safe and makabait ka at always praise our God. Whatever you do in your life, because He's the answer for everything. God bless you, Idol, and once again, happy birthday. Thank you.
Hi Joseph, it's Jonathan. Just want to greet you happy birthday. Have a great day today, bro. God bless you.
Hi Joseph, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Stay safe and God bless.
Hello Joseph, happy birthday. May party ba? May COVID? Anyway, enjoy your birthday. God bless you.
Hi Joseph, happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi. God bless. Sana wish ko sa'yo mas marami pang birthday darating sa buhay mo. Pagpalain ka pa ni Lord. Ingat ka, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. Kain ka madami. God bless. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Inson Joseph. More birthdays to come. Stay safe. God bless.